Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install and secure Let's Encrypt with Nginx and Docker, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have Docker installed on your system. Open your terminal to verify the installation by running Docker version. Next, pull the Nginx Docker image with the command docker pull nginx. Once the image is downloaded, create a directory for your Nginx configuration files. You can create this directory by running nginx/confd. Navigate to the directory you just created using cd/nginx/confd. Now, create a new configuration file for your website. Use a text editor to create the file, for example, nanomysite.conf. In this configuration file, define the server block for your site. Begin by adding server on the first line. Follow this with listen 80 to enable port 80 for HTTP traffic. Then, specify the server name using server_name yourdomain.com. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. For now, direct traffic to a simple index file by adding location/. Inside this block, use root/usr/share/nginx/html, then close the location block with a, and the server block with another. Save your changes to the configuration file and exit the editor. Next, start your Nginx container with Docker. Run the command docker run name nginx v/nginx/etc/nginx/confd/p80:80 Verify that the Nginx server is up and running by visiting http://yourdomain.com in your browser. Now, let's secure your site with Let's Encrypt. For this, we will use certbot, which is the official client for Let's Encrypt. First, pull the certbot image using docker pull certbot/certbot. We will now request a certificate for your domain. Run the command docker run at rmname certbot entry point \bin /sh certbot/certbot. Next, execute the command to obtain the certificate. Type in the certbot certainly standalone yourdomain.com www.yourdomain.com. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain and include any subdomains if necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.